be it. All right. Hope everyone is doing good. Happy New Year, everybody. What a year. What a year it's been for me. I opened up my own video game development company, the Web3 game development company, Junglecraft Games. I have a demo out on EQ's launcher for Tango Down. A big year of self-development, cutting out a lot of toxic stuff from my life, trying to become the man I want to become. It's quite the year, man. I'm excited for 2025. My big goal for 2025 is discipline, or my big word. I have tons of big goals for 2025. Big word, discipline. Discipline, discipline, discipline. We're going to start doing 2 streams a day. Maybe on the weekends, maybe not. Sometimes on the weekends, sometimes not. But every morning, every evening, we're going to come to these charts and we're going to see what's going on. Because I do enjoy it, but I need to get good on these low time frames. That's where I'm going to make my money, is on these low time frames, where we can scalp the market every day, when we can come to the chart and potentially have a trade set up every day, because we're good at these lower time frames. Just like we're getting divs right now, some bull divs. Money flow just crossed over, green dot on the bottom there. We need to get good on these smaller time frames here. So we're going to come every single day, twice a day. Starting tomorrow, January 1st, 2025. Day 1. But until then, let's see what's going on. What's going on with the old Bitcoin? Are we going to go down to 80K? 80K is definitely in the cards. Saying it yesterday, this will be your last line of defense. It's at 87. At 0.5, where you have just a hair of volume there. Whoa. Cool. Where's it at? There it is. We'll pull a fixed range from here to here. That's your last little bit of volume you got. You start losing these levels. This 87,000. It's going to be a quick drop back down to 75, 80s. More than likely 75. But you got tons of support at the 80s. Spider line, golden pockets. Money flow curving back up on the daily. VWAP's getting ready to cross over. We could see a little bounce from these levels. What is it, 92? We're at 92K right now, somewhere around there, 93. Bounce beautiful off of that spiral, huh? Wait for this VWAP to reset. Looks like we could start reclaiming the VWAP once it resets here. You have your bull divs. Without a doubt, price has been getting lower. Your momentum's getting higher here on the 5 minute. For that fixed range we just drew, this is your value area low. Looks like you're coming up to the point of control here, this pinkish line. Trying to catch a knife. Those are some bull dips. Money flow is coming up. We could see us start to climb because VWAP's getting ready to reset here in about a minute. Start climbing that VWAP with money flow coming in. Probably take me a little scalper long. That has to be for the 5 minute, that's the value area low. Maybe we can come down here, bounce off of it with the VWAP, because it's about to run into the VWAP as support. Maybe we can catch it. What's the 1 minute money flow looking like? She's gone into the green. Is she gonna hold? Did we just reset? We did. Okay. Now we wait and see. Curving up. Looks like you could have some room to run on this momentum. Momentum is going up. She's going up. Here on the 1 minute. Looks like she would wanna try to cross over, but she is putting in what looks like could be a curve. She could very well reject off the zero line this daily here. I guess technically this is still a higher low. This is your low after your initial breakout here. So put in a higher high. We'll have to wait and see on that. Let's jump back down. Money flow shooting out heavy on the 8 hour. VWAP coming straight down along with the RSIs. It is not looking good for the Bitcoin. Weekly bear divs. VWAP's under the zero line. Looks like the short's the move. You're reclaiming your VWAP here. You're going to have room to run. I might try to front run this money flow off the next VWAP bounce. I'll have to wait and see. I'm watching the 1 minute for right now.
Apple Card is the perfect card
VWAP's
for your holiday
over on the
shopping.
15.
You can apply on your iPhone in minutes and start using it right away. You'll learn up to 3% daily cash back on every purchase, including products at Apple like a new iPhone 16 or Apple.
Yeah, we could see a little bounce from here. I'd like the money flow to start coming back into the green. We could definitely be seeing a little bounce here. Oh, I don't like how low those momentum waves are on the 1 though. I'd prefer them to be well above the 60 as we're crossing over. As we're regaining that VWAP, that means you'd have room to run. Not looking too good. Yep. Looks like the VWAP's going to cross over. I mean, money flow's coming up though. You could just bounce. No, we could be claiming the VWAP. Ribbons are becoming support. See what that DBSI looks like. Giving some strong candles to the upside. 10, 15, 14. Can't see that one. 8 to -1. It's not quite pinched yet. There she is though. She's going down. Losing the VWAP. Still a lot of momentum to the upside. A lot of momentum going up. Holy John Wick, Batman. Losing the VWAP on the 1 minute. Doesn't look like that money flow is coming into the 5 minute. Pretty red money flow on the 10. Some jagged divergences. Not nice and rounded out, just real jagged. A bit better on the 15. Still pretty rough. I don't like that though. Lose the money flow on the 30. Looks like it's going to come back down. I don't like how thick the wave still is, even though VWAP's coming up. Probably means she's going to take another turn down. Could be wrong, but what she's looking like. And getting the red dot on the 4 hour. VWAP's crossing over. The money flow is about to come out. You're under VWAP. It's usually a good scout. VWAP's about to cross over on the 5. It's crossing to the upside on the 15. Definitely a scout. And on the 10 it's coming down. It could be risky. But that money flow might catch us a little scalp. Yeah. I don't want to short the bottom of the candle though. Should have shorted the bottom a while ago. We should too. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna let it run. That's it, ain't it? Man, I don't want to short the bottom of the candle. But she's just crashing. Better look at the money flow. She's definitely looking like she's gonna go into the red, but there's curvature on her. And I've already missed the entry. The entry would have been up here on the red dot. VWAP was crossing over. Now you're already under. Yeah. Man, I'm glad I didn't short the bottom of that candle. This might be a good spot though. Scalp, scalp, scalp. We should do blood diamond on the 5. 15. I don't know. As soon as that money flow goes into the red, I'll probably take this. That's what I was thinking though. I'm not taking that. Need the VWAP to be going over with it. The VWAP needs to be backing the money flow. They both need to be going in the same direction. Find a little pinch off, maybe, right there at the 0 line. We should too. Let's see how high this momentum wave can get. Money flow starting to shoot right back up. Bouncing off that VWAP, you're getting your last little green dot there. Last little shakeout here. Mm-hmm. Wait for the splash. Could have been a splash. We'll wait for the 5-minute splash. That could have been it too. Cause I feel like this right here is about to take you. It's gonna take you. Look at it. Yeah. It's gonna take you pretty high to this 60 line. I'm hoping. Damn. Missed that one. Don't get in there now. Alright, she's gonna keep shooting up. Yeah, it's just gonna keep going. This is, see how high this 5-minute momentum gets? I gotta go see what that was. Hold on. Okay. Damn, she is going. Hopefully hopefully that's not it. We should keep. VWAP is curving down. This could be your third bear div. Take us back down to VWAP, maybe. Keep an eye on the money flow. We lose the VWAP and the money flow. I'll be looking to go short. Now, if this money flow keeps coming up and we come down to confirm VWAP, this yellow line as support, we'll be going long. On the 5 minute, your general momentum is to the upside. I guess let's do it from here. He's just been getting lower. This bear bull div, ooh. Bull div right here. You put your 0 dot or your green dot on the 0 line. She looks good. You can get that money flow start coming in. See what the 10 minute looks like. Money flow is deep in the red, but also general direction. General momentum is up. Looks like your VWAP could be crossing over on the 1 hour soon. She could just reject off of it. It's important to make sure this VWAP, this intraday VWAP here, is going to be our support. See, maybe we can come down and test it right here. Test that VWAP. Or we could continue up because that money flow is shooting straight up. This could just be a little, could be an entry point. Bounce here, keep going. Sure, you took profits, man. The money flow is just shooting straight up so far. General direction on the higher time frames, yeah, that could have been it. General direction is up. Claiming VWAP, what? Just reset, yeah. Money flow is getting ready to come in. Ooh, I want to go long. But I need an entry point on this 1 minute right here. Let's get us an entry point going. Make sure the trade is ready. Alright, she's ready. She's ready. She's right here ready to go. Because I'm pretty sure we're going to long that money flow on the 5 minute. As long as we're making sure this VWAP is going to hold us. And I could not get an entry. It could not never go back down to a decent where I'm like, oh shit, it's about to go back up. I could not be able to get in this one. Could have missed it. Could have missed it. Because right there, you're reclaiming your VWAP, money flows in. Should have been trying to get in somewhere right here. But it looks like we could get the chance because we want the splash. Want the splash to make sure the VWAP's going to hold. And we don't keep doing what we've been doing. Shit in the bed. Dumping all the way down. But even so, general momentum, we're getting higher. Price has been getting lower. Market cipher B's steadily getting higher. Okay, yeah, looks like we could come down and get our test, or we could lose this money flow. Under VWAP. We're ready for both of them. I don't have long though. I'm gonna have to go to the store soon. Not a problem. Not a problem there. Hun. Thanks for tuning in. We can definitely get ready to see. Want the VWAP coming up, make sure we've hit it as we're crossing over. That very well could lead to the 5-minute money flow coming over. Plenty of room to run there. We're either going to go long or we're going to go short. But man, it's just telling me to long it. If we can make sure the VWAP's there. It's saying, hey, don't miss this long. It's all scalps. Look, there it is. That could be it. This could be it with the VWAP right here. 44 seconds. How long we got on the 5-minute? This will tell us. Just tell us. That VWAP keeps shooting up. Money flow's coming in. We're probably going to have a little bit of room to run. 15-minute VWAP coming up. Money flow looks like it could curve down on that 15 as well. 14 seconds. See what the next candle looks like. Need money flow to keep coming up. If we want a long, if we want a short, we need it coming out, but we need to be under VWAP with marketcipher B VWAP crossing over. Those three things will get us into our scalp. Either way, up or down. We have a plan for both occasions. Sharp decline on the money flow there. VWAP steady at -7.8. See what the 5-minute VWAP did. Not quite what we wanted. Come down and get the splash. Catch the splash. As long as money flow's coming in and we're above the VWAP, we have our divergences. I'd feel pretty good about it. I'd feel pretty good about taking that long. Above the VWAP, money flow coming into the green. Come down and confirm VWAP as support here on this 1 minute. And hopefully it'll lead into the money flow on the 5-minute. Overall, 4 hour. Looks like he could bounce off that zero line. I think she's just printing a red dot a while ago though. Before that little pumperoo. Before this little bit of action here. Daily looks like it wants to cross over, but you can see it's probably won't be too long before it just crosses back down. And when she does cross back down, you can look for these areas. You got a volume area low from this fixed range here, from the bottom here to the top there. Then you got the 786 or the 0.5 here, the beginning of support from this Fibonacci levels. And if you want to hold these levels to make higher highs, if not, you will be coming down anywhere between 82 and 75. And it's more likely to be 75 because there's more volume down that way. There's not a lot of volume right here at your 80s to hold you. Good volumes at the 75 though. Good volumes to hold you there as support. But I mean, honestly, a lot of volume between what, 87 and 90. About where we are now. So we could catch a little leg up off of here and not have to come down to any of this. Wait and see, but I mean, unless we go up from here, we're taking lows, we're making lower lows on the daily here. Already are. Not making higher highs. This is bearish. Bearish. And this could just reject and keep going. She looks like she's gonna pinch off, but there's been plenty of them that look like she's gonna pinch off and then don't. You got 24 hours. You know, a lot can happen. Don't assume this is money flow is coming up. She's still got room to go. That was it. There I was. Talking about those higher time frames, and that was probably it. Money flow's coming right back up. There she goes. See how high the VWAP can get. Money flow shooting up. Money flow's about to come in on the 5. Looks great for a long. But I don't want along the top of a freaking candle. We want along the bottom. Yes. Shooting straight up. She's gonna have some room. Money flow coming straight up. She's probably got some more upside in her. Oh. Sharp down. Yeah, she's got some room to run. See about that 10-minute room to run. VWAP shooting up on everything. Yep, she's bouncing. That money flow comes into the 5. You're above your VWAP. I'm about to have to get off and go. I don't know if I'll have time to catch the scalp. See, she's not done. That VWAP's gonna curve back up. You see that money flow? You see that money flow just shooting straight up? Still plenty of room to run on that edge, on that momentum edge. That VWAP's probably gonna keep coming to the upside. She's gonna become a new anchor wave. Keep an eye on this VWAP here. Money flow is shooting straight in. Got 1 minute left on the 5. Yeah, see, on the 5 it looks like she's going to keep running too. Watch for the little clip upwards. Now she's starting to taper off, but I can only assume she's going to bounce off of this in the next 20 seconds. Actually, a bit of a divergence. Not really, I guess. She hasn't tapered yet. Very well could be bouncing off the 0 or right under the 0. Money flow still coming up. Look at 3 minutes looking like money flow doing is diversion on VWAP and money flow. We have very divs on the VWAP and money flow here on the 3 minute. Quite tapered yet, could bounce as well. We're above the VWAP. It's always a good sign if you're looking for a long. You need that money flow to hold. If she doesn't hold, she's probably not coming in on the 5. She'll reject off that 0 line. Just keep coming down a little bit. Starting to come down a bit on the money. finally got some momentum above the 0 line. I mean, you got these two tiny ones here, but this one actually almost made it all the way to the 60. General direction has been upwards, even though we've been coming down. Momentum is to the upside. And looks like we could be getting money coming in on the 5. We're above VWAP. That's always a good thing. Yep, there's a sharp tick. That probably might have been it. Yep. She's about to go up. It looks like she might have some room to make a higher momentum wave on this 1 minute. Let's see. Money flow shooting straight up. Green dot. Damn, that was it. That was our consolidation. How long we got left on the 5? 44 minutes. Let's see what the money flow. 44 seconds. See what this money flow does. Still pretty thick on that momentum wave. Not really clipping off. I can see the momentum start to shift upwards, especially on with that 1 minute coming up like it is. Money flow coming up. VWAP just crossed over. You got a 15 to the upside, -5 to the downside. It's what you want to see. If I was on the chart right there, that little clip on momentum would have let you know. Like here, you came down a bit, but you're going higher. Right here was probably the moment you're about to start going higher. But once that VWAP clip there, your money flows so thick, you got room to run on your momentums. Now it looks like, watch that momentum. You got a 16 to the upside, -5 to the downside. Your DBSIs are still saying probably gonna go up a little bit. This is on the 1 minute. Alright, let's see what the money flow did. She's almost there. She's almost there. Might be a good, I might be able to take one if this VWAP can curve up just a hair. Catch a quick curve to the upside with money flow coming in. You're above your intraday VWAP. You got a 10 to the upside, negative. Oh, they're fighting. This is why you wait for your confirmations. Money flow is still really thick. That VWAP looks like it's going to cross over the 0. I was trying to get in back here, but everything just kept pumping and I don't want to catch the top of the candle. So I did not take it. Now she is coming down. Yeah, see that VWAP? She's about to cross over. Red dot. And yep. What's the money flow looking? Kind of down. Wait and see if we can't get the 5-minute money flow to come into the green. With I need the VWAP to be coming up. I don't need her to be crossing over with the money flow. I need them to be backing each other, saying the same thing. I don't need the VWAP coming over while money flow is crossing over. I need them to both be saying the same thing. Either up or down. I want to say on the 15 it was coming up too. I mean, general direction You probably got some more room to work here. Got a little bit more room to work here, but general direction, momentum is getting higher. The momentum is getting higher. And looks like she's going to get ready to stay over this zero line here soon. She'll stay on the zero line. She'll just bounce off of it here soon as she continues up. Money flow stick. Looks like it might be topping out. Are we in the green on the 10? No, we are deep red. Deep red on the 10. It is coming up though. And it looks like we could have one more leg down. Clip a green dot around the zero line on the 10 minute. General direction is to the upside. Looks like we're gonna hold VWAP for now. We would like to confirm it. Like to confirm this as support. We should get an opportunity. See a splash on the 5, maybe. Maybe we could see a splash on 15 as well. Come up, come back down, confirm. Or we could lose it altogether. And if that's the case, I'd be looking for money flow coming out on the 1. If we're under VWAP with money flow coming out, hopefully we got some divs to back us. That's what we're doing on the 5 here. We have our divs backing us with the money flow, but we need just a couple more things. We got a pretty high momentum wave, so she could have some room to run for bearish divs, but we need that to be going up with the money flow crossing over. And we'd like to make sure she's support. We might be able to do that on 1. But I am about to have to go to the store. Like I said, for the new year, it's a stream every morning, stream every evening. Let's build this account up. Let's get funded. And let's have fun doing it, huh? I hope everyone has a safe and happy New Year's tonight. I hope you stay disciplined with all your resolutions. As I plan to do. That's a big word for the year, is discipline. Happy New Year's, everybody.